Hi guys, looking for the perfect blend of fun, learning, and adventure. Introducing the mini Wi-Fi RC boat submarine with real-time transmission, an exciting educational toy that's perfect for back-to-school season. This 6-way submarine is packed with features, allowing you to move forward, backward, turn left or right, and even dive underwater. Whether exploring the pool or pond, it brings hours of entertainment with full maneuverability. Equipped with a real-time camera, this smart submarine lets you capture amazing underwater moments, providing a whole new perspective on the world beneath the surface. Easily snap photos or record videos and share them instantly. With its built-in rechargeable battery, charging is hassle-free and can be done right from the remote control. Smart, practical, and environmentally friendly. Designed to stimulate children's curiosity, this toy helps develop motor skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. It's not just a toy, it's a tool for learning through play. Perfect for any young adventurer, this mini Wi-Fi RC submarine also makes a great collectible gift. Spark their imagination and give the gift of exploration. Order now and dive into a world of fun.